Are you counting the days until payday? Emergency auto repairs, unexpected bills, and other unplanned expenses can wreak havoc on your finances. There's no need to live with financial stress. A payday loan is an excellent solution for short-term cash flow problems. A payday loan will provide you with cash now so you can set your worries aside. Let's take a look at 10 tips to consider before applying for a payday loan. Tip number 1. In order to apply for a payday loan, you must be at least 18 years of age and have a job on a full-time basis. Companies want to know that you can pay back the loan. Tip number 2. You need to be receiving a steady income on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. Most lenders require you to pay back the loan within 2 weeks to 1 month. Tip number 3. You need to have a savings or a checking account. The lender will usually require you to post-date a check for 2 weeks. The check will be cashed the day after the term has expired, so you must provide them with a check. Tip number 4. When you apply for a payday loan online or in person, you will need to have proof of these items to convince the lender you are a trustworthy risk and you will be able to pay back your payday loan. Some lenders require you to fax the information, others do not. It varies from lender to lender. Check with your individual lender. Tip number 5. When choosing a payday loan company, be sure it is registered and in good standing with the Better Business Bureau with no outstanding or unresolved complaints. This is very easy to check. Just go online to the Better Business Bureau, type in your lender, and their information will come up. If you find out there is no information or there are complaints, then you can go to other companies. Tip number 6. You need to understand the terms of the payday loan you are applying for. U.S. regulations usually vary from one state to another. Most states have limits on the amount that you can borrow. They also have the right to change any APR. Annual percentage rates can range from 390 to 780%. Tip number 7. When selecting a payday loan company online, their website needs to clearly state the fees involved and the interest rate being charged. You don't want to be hit with any surprises once you sign on the dotted line. Make sure you know what your fees are going to be ahead of time. Tip number 8. You need to know the penalties if you do not pay the loan back on time. Penalties can range from high overdraft charges levied by your bank as a result of writing a check for insufficient funds. Also, charges can be levied by the lender for not repaying the loan on time, higher interest rates. The lender can also sue the borrower under the court of law against non-repayment loan for writing bad checks. So you want to make sure you can pay back the loan and not get charged with a penalty. Tip number 9. You need to read and understand the fine print of your payday loan. It's very easy to scroll down those conditions and hit the I agree button because of all the information in the fine print. You want to make sure you read this because you're going to be held liable in the court of law for a document you have signed. So make sure you know your terms and conditions and you've read all the fine print before you sign for the loan. Tip number 10. If you cannot easily find the above information on the lender's website, then don't use them. There are hundreds of online loan companies. Pick the lender that fits your needs the best. A rule of thumb: if a company is advertising on the internet, they are most likely trustworthy because it costs money to advertise and the company would have to be profitable to pay for the advertising. Most companies will not deal with a non-reputable company very long and they eventually will be out of business with no profit to spend on advertising. Remember, as you consider the above tips, keep in mind you need to be able to repay back your payday loan and still cover next week's bills. Don't overextend yourself. Payday loans at times make perfect sense, and you need to use them wisely to help your short-term cash flow problems. But do not overuse them and get yourself in a predicament where you cannot repay back the loan. For more information on loans and to find out more articles and guides, check out the following website: www.advancepayday.loans.com. And there are 2 S's at the end of loans. You'll find a lot of valuable information about payday loans on the site. So hopefully this information has been some use to you. So if you're thinking about putting together a payday loan, you now have some better information to help guide you.